Golden Riviera. To shining gold, windows down the world unfolds, ocean dancing next to me, every mile feels wild and free, palm trees drawing moving lines, silver waves and endless skies, every corner comes alive. Every heartbeat starts to rise. Leave yesterday behind, nothing waiting but the light. Every road becomes a dream. Everything is turning bright. Golden Riviera, running with the morning sun. Golden Riviera, every journey just begun. Golden Riviera, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Golden Riviera, living every moment free. Harbors glowing crystal blue, every view feels fresh and new. Open roads and endless days, summer writes its own new page. Music floating through the air, golden sunlight everywhere. Every smile becomes a spark, turning daylight into art. Nothing standing still, everything keeps moving on. Every wave invites another. Every mile becomes a song. Golden Riviera, brighter than the morning sky. Golden Riviera, lift your spirit, let it fly. Golden Riviera, every heartbeat finds its place. Golden Riviera, every smile upon your face. Golden Riviera, every dream is running free. Golden Riviera, come and chase the sea with me. No destination, only horizons. No beginning, only today. No looking back, only forward. When the sunlight finds the water, everything begins again. Every color growing brighter, like it never wants to end. Hold this feeling, hold this fire. Let the coastline carry higher. Golden Riviera, running through the summer light. Golden Riviera, everything is feeling right. Golden Riviera, hear the choir in the sky. keep shining. Another morning, another dream.